Welcome to Car Aesthetic, where we bring you the best in luxury, performance, and design. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Lexus ES, a sedan that blends sophistication with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a Lexus fan or searching for your next luxury car, stay tuned as we explore everything from its bold exterior to its refined performance and top-tier safety features. The 2025 Lexus ES makes an unforgettable first impression. Its sleek and sculpted body features a refined spindle grille, sharper LED headlights, and new aerodynamic contours that enhance both style and efficiency. The 19-inch alloy wheels and a refreshed rear-end design give the ES a sportier stance, making it stand out in the luxury sedan segment. With new color options and a panoramic sunroof, Lexus has made sure that elegance meets innovation in this latest model. Under the hood, the 2025 ES offers multiple engine options. The ES 250 AWD comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing all-weather capability. The ES 350 packs a 3.5-liter V6, delivering 302 horsepower for smooth yet powerful acceleration. For those looking for efficiency, the ES 300h Hybrid combines a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor, achieving excellent fuel economy without sacrificing luxury. The revised suspension system and enhanced steering response ensure a balanced, comfortable ride, whether you're on city streets or open highways. Step inside, and the 2025 Lexus ES greets you with a cabin designed for ultimate comfort and technology. High-quality semi-aniline leather seats, real wood trims, and soft-touch materials create a premium feel. The new 14-inch touchscreen is the centerpiece of the dashboard, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an improved Lexus voice assistant for seamless connectivity. The Mark Levinson premium audio system delivers an immersive sound experience, while ambient lighting, heated and ventilated seats, and a spacious interior ensure that every drive is a first-class experience. Noise insulation has also been enhanced, making the cabin impressively quiet even at high speeds. Safety has always been a Lexus priority, and the Lexus Safety System 3.0 in the 2025 ES is no exception. The suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility. The upgraded pre-collision system now detects pedestrians and cyclists with greater accuracy, providing added peace of mind. Lexus has also reinforced the ES with improved structural rigidity, making it even safer in case of collisions. Pricing for the 2025 Lexus ES remains competitive in the luxury sedan market. The base ES 250 starts at around $43,000, while the fully loaded trims, including the hybrid variant, can reach $55,000 or more. With its legendary reliability and premium craftsmanship, the ES offers excellent value for those seeking a balance of luxury and performance. That's a wrap on our review of the 2025 Lexus ES. What do you think about Lexus' latest update? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Aesthetic for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.